Hey guys, and welcome to a new video. Today me and Popcorn is about to play some GeoGuessr. So anyways, what do you want to say?
Of course I'm here.
Okay, stop.
We're
Anyway,
not number.
anyways, so let's start the game.
Hurry,
How do I start?
hurry up,
Gosh, how do I start?
hurry up.
Let me press these three buttons. I haven't played this in a long time.
I don't
Let's play
get
multiplayer, come on. My
multiplayer.
brothers, yes.
How? I'm not like a good person at GeoGuessr, but I know you gotta guess the country, but you still have to show me just like right now.
My brother is a phone player. He plays on the phone, which it's pretty difficult playing on the phone considering that it can lag so much. So anyways,
What are
I'm
you
helping my
putting?
man
What are
out.
you putting me in again?
Anyways, oh my gosh, beach season is live.
What?
Okay,
Can you put me in this? I press play with friends, bro. Let's play with friends.
alright.
Oh my god, you gotta.
It is so difficult. Gosh, I don't like how my brother is using the phone.
Bro, what happened with you? Press play with friends. I pressed it.
You have to create a new party, so no.
Nah.
Let's just press competitive modes.
And then what?
Let's do battle royale distance.
Did a right number. Start
We
game.
have 3 free games left. Come on, got this.
What do I press? Start game?
Yes,
I
yes.
pressed it.
Anyways, I'm in.
That's you!
Oh my gosh, that's me! That's you! Look, your username.
Bro, that's you! I'm gonna press it. What happens if I press it?
Nothing will happen.
Wait, so this means you're gonna be in my exact game?
Yeah, we both are playing together.
Bro! Bro, this is so cool, right?
Look at your avatar.
I know, and look. Why do you laugh?
Anyways,
I can't believe that's you, right?
game is about to start. Waiting for at least one more person to join. Oh my gosh. I'm waiting forever. And also, I'm gonna stop. We're gonna get copyrighted.
What?
Seeing that would get us copyrighted. So, anyways, I'm gonna cover up. I'm gonna blur out me and my brother's usernames, and we're gonna blur out everybody's username, because we gotta ask permission, and like we don't even know who
We're
they
gonna
are.
be nice and cover these people's usernames so they just Okay, let's start.
And anyways, whoever's playing GeoGuessr right now,
Bro, why are you even second now?
No!
Someone left out. It's only me and you.
Come on! This is the worst day ever.
Why
Bada
only
bum.
me and you? Somebody just left because he's like,
At
this is
least
too
two
much
more
long.
players to join. At least 2 more.
Bro.
Come on. Can they get in this game?
Bro, what are you doing?
Gosh.
Hurry up. Hurry. Stop picking us up.
I'm not. Yeah, I was.
No, don't pick us up again. Or else I will scream because I'm scared of heights.
Oh my gosh, finally! At least one more person's gonna join. Finally!
Oh,
Finally! Okay, whoever it is, they better not leave.
and wait, no, 5 people.
I know there's 5. Probably because you see the 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oh my gosh. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The game is about to begin.
And though I can't believe I'm playing with you, right?
Well, it's more common. Oh my gosh, what the heck?
And I still can't believe I'm playing with you, right?
Yeah, anyways.
See, I told you it's online.
Okay. Have we been to this place before?
No,
I feel like we've been here.
I feel like we've been here.
So first of all, I'm thinking Asia. Heads up, I'm gonna say Pakistan because we've been there. I think we've been
In my
here.
mind, it's just India.
India?
Yeah, I think.
India?
Well, look at the Suzuki.
I feel like we've been here before, so I'm gonna guess
Look at the
Pakistan.
Suzuki. It's there. The Suzuki.
Yeah. Oh my God.
No. I have to
Whoa.
pick India.
Oh my gosh, I picked Pakistan.
I
Oh,
picked.
come on. Come on. Oh my gosh, I qualified for the next round, and where was it?
I didn't even choose one yet. I was taking my time.
It was somewhere in Turkey. It looks exactly like we've been there.
I was going with India.
So, oh my gosh, wait. By looking at these people, they might be Chinese.
I accidentally was taking my time, and now I gotta get back in. No, God.
Forget about it. Anyways, this kind of looks like China.
Yeah, chief. Why not India this time? India looks.
No, it looks more like China. Why? Because of how these people look right now. I know their faces are blurred out, but they look Chinese. So, anyways, I guess China.
And I'm waiting. What? Someone joined in. He has a pretty good avatar. Oh yeah, take your time. Take your time, or you're going to lose.
What do you mean I didn't lose? I already guessed.
Oh.
Anyways, yes, I'm qualified for the next round. Woo!
How do you know?
It says
How are you qualified and not me?
IDK.
Oh, it's because I was taking my time to guess the country.
So that was somewhere in Indonesia. Makes sense. Indonesia is the place. Oh my gosh, if only this one I'm probably gonna fail. But the first 2 rounds, they were Asia. Like,
no, 3
how is
people
everything
joined.
Asia?
3 people, no, 2 more people.
Heads up, I haven't guessed yet. I'm gonna go Oceania. I mean Australia. At this moment, I've made the guess. I'm thinking it could either be India or like
No, what do I
Australia
do?
or something. I'm gonna go. Gujarat.
I'm waiting so long. No, I hate
Yeah,
this.
Gujarat. Heads up, I'm in last. I was knocked out. Where was the place? I'm now a tourist. Yay! What am I talking about?
Shall we?
I'm gonna go to the main.
Why did all the people leave? I hate these people. Woo! Woo! And
Gosh, my 5 minutes of free play got expired. No! Stop!
Yeah, why do you always shout, bro? I always say like stop, stop. You always shout.
Because I want my videos to have some quality. Battle Royale distance. Stop!
Oh, someone joined in.
Leave. That's the home menu.
Oh,
And then
sort,
leave. So,
sort,
anyways,
sort,
let's just
sort.
go to let's go to duels.
Where is duels? I wanna find duels. I see. Play with friends. Single player and double.
Duels.
Start game.
Yeah, press it.
You can start your game, buddy.
Stop.
My favorite color is red and white because my color because popcorn cars you like that red and white, so that's why.
Popcorn. You should say popcorn. Why do you say popcorn?
Woo! Did you hear
Oh
that?
my gosh, it's you versus this guy. Oh,
What's up,
oh.
bro? They made this song in mine, right? Right?
Beat him. Beat him up.
I'm guessing Germany.
Germany? Just because.
Now let me just look. If
Wait,
there's
wait. There was a sign over there.
Where?
There's a sign. Look.
Yeah.
Look.
I know. I'm going there.
And look at cars and license plates. Could be the US.
Bro, I'm guessing Germany. Right now.
Germany?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Where's Germany? Oh, there. Germany.
Oh gosh.
I choose Germany.
You gotta do this.
I
Come
choose
on,
Germany.
man.
What?
Come on, man.
I don't know what.
Come on, man. Can I friend you? I'm gonna friend you.
Friend me, please. The dude got it correct. Oh my god, I hate this dude.
Okay.
Round 2, who am I playing with now?
Mm.
Oh, it's the same dude. I know what this place is. When I just spawned, I saw this on the wall. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that.
Oh, Brazil, go Brazil,
There's a
Brazil.
Brazil. When I just spawned in, there's a Brazil.
Come on, bro. Brazil.
No. What? India.
Wait, wait.
It's Bangladesh. It's Bangladesh.
Wait, zoom in.
Use Bangladesh, bro. I told you. Okay, I'm playing with the same dude again.
Multiplayer.
What place is? I'm guessing Pakistan.
Pakistan.
No, that's Afghanistan.
Afghanistan.
No, I'm choosing India. Never mind.
India. Why are you going South Asia all the time? Probably because of the first round that had everything. South Asia. I have 3 minutes left, as you can see right over here.
It was somewhere in Brazil. God,
And what?
it's Brazil. No, round 4. How many rounds have to bear this?
Wait. Look, that's that could be India. It says work, don't play. So this could be India. India.
If you look close, you can see Indian kind of cars.
Yeah, those. That's definitely India.
And
Go
that
India,
car's
man.
going to run me over.
Just go India.
I know. Why do I keep choosing India?
Probably because all the countries look exactly like India.
Yeah.
Come on, my man's gotta go. Come on. Go. Popki, go. Popki, go. Popki, go. Popki, go.
No
Popki, go.
sauce.
Popki, go. What?
Whoa.
That looked like India. Greece?
Okay, I'm still around 5. Let's go with the
Come on,
insane.
2 minutes.
Bro, I have this much. I can't.
You know what? At the moment, let's go to the avatar shop. Like, why not?
I see littering and stuff. That's
Pollution.
pollution. Oh, that's like it in. Why is there brick?
Limited edition.
A flash if
Jungle
there's any.
outfit. Oh my gosh.
There's something blurry. There's something bloody over there.
We'll look. We'll
Mm.
go. Funky has. I mean, I don't know what's his name, but he guessed.
And in India. India's mine! Oh, oh, oh. Oh,
That was Portugal.
the goat's country, Portugal. Oh my gosh, Ronaldo, the goat. Why is there a tiger laughing? I lost. Okay. Can I go to the avatar? Show me a sister. How I go
Stop!
to avatar? How do I go to avatar?
I have a minute 20 seconds left.
Avatar,
Let's get in. Let's just go to duels. How
Dude,
do you?
yes.
He just says that all the time.
Ronaldo. Anyways, can you bring me Ronaldo? Has wait, let me say something in the mic. Okay, wait. Hashtag popcorn gang. Hashtag popcorn gang.
Now I'm gonna write that down
Hashtag
in the
popcorn gang.
description.
Why does it's Avatar shop right there? Where?
Yeah,
I wanna
but
go to
okay.
Avatar shop.
Distance.
Nah, let's just go. No, I wanna go in a game. Like right now.
Okay.
I just got the new shoes that I have from Hashtag popcorn gang. Beat that.
Come on.
Wait, I'm even in a game.
Yeah, you're in the game right now. Oh gosh, I have to join in. Come on, stop lagging.
Bro, you have 19 more seconds. But now 17.
Oh gosh.
Hurry up. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot.
Anyways,
4, 3, 1, 0, 0.
4-3-1.
Whoa.
That makes sense. And as soon as your timer finished,
I already know what place this is. It might be Dubai.
Dubai. Just because it has buildings, you think it's Dubai.
No, it looks pretty
Just
familiar.
because it has buildings, you think
Baba.
it's Dubai.
I'm playing, but I got
Just because it has buildings, you think it's Dubai.
no, not because it does a building. What's the DRC in this?
DRC.
Yeah.
There it is. That big one.
I was going with a
Unlock
random
all
country.
regions?
I just went with a random country.
What does that mean? I'm just gonna play.
I pressed the wrong country that I already know. Saudi Arabia. I'm joking. Oh no, not that, not that at all.
We went for Palestine.
Oh my god, you are. Oh my god, that is so popcorn hashtag. Game.
What is this? Oh my gosh. Anyways, wait, I think I know what this is. Yemen, aka Skatora. Why? Because I saw those trees and I knew it was gonna be
It was
Skatora.
literally South Korea.
South Korea?
Yeah.
It's not South Korea. Oh, it's in yours. It's probably.
Let's continue.
Gosh.
Play again. Play again. Can I go to change my avatar? I hate it.
Oh my god.
I hate my avatar and I want to change it. Hashtag popcorn game.
Game.
Hashtag popcorn game. And a giga chair. Giga.
I hate lags. It's lagging, guys. Guys, it's lagging.
What? It's lagging. Oh my god. Oh, I get to go now finally.
Anyways.
Finally. Bro, stop it.
Wah.
Because you have to.
R. G.
Bro, hashtag
YRG.
popcorn game.
Hashtag ninja is goaded.
No.
Gosh. I'm gonna zoom out. I hate lagging. I hate lags. I think that
How
I
do
don't
I look? How do I look?
Good.
Goofy as heck.
Goofy as heck. Yeah, probably. Gosh, I only have 34 seconds.
Now
And
how do I look?
pretty goofy.
No, man, no, you're good.
Oh my gosh, I'm not. I ain't cat.
I'm pretty avatar. And hashtag popcorn game.
Hashtag
Popcorn game.
I mean ninja game.
Hashtag subscribe game. Like you have to press that subscribe button right now, or else it'll be under your bed. You're having my popcorn gun while you sleep tonight.
Seriously.
And press that like button, or else I'll do the same. And press that like button, or else I'll do the same like I told you.
Anyways, guys,
Anyway.
that will be the end of the video. And I hope I see you guys in another
Press the
video.
subscribe button,
And
or else I'll be under your bed while you sleep
bye,
tonight.
guys.